Hello my friends, what are eBay business policies? They are sets of rules that help you run your business on eBay. There's three different types of business policies: shipping, payment, and return. The name tells you what they are for, and you have to pick in Nembol one of each, one shipping, one payment, and one return policy in order to be able to list from Nembol to eBay. And you cannot use Nembol unless you have your three business policies set existing in your eBay account. In this video, we start talking about shipping policy. So what is shipping policy? Shipping policy is the environment, the place where you explain to eBay, and through eBay system, you explain to your buyers how you're going to ship, how much it's going to cost for your buyers, your clients, to get the good delivered to their address, how long it takes for you to take the good from the shelf and hand it over to the shipper, what shippers, which and how many couriers or carriers do you offer to your clients, and what type of services: next day delivery, 3-day delivery, economy 3-day, 1 week, freight, there's many, which you are offering to your buyers. The other main big thing you are deciding within your eBay business policy is if your shipping cost is going to be flat or calculated. Flat means that each client, all clients, pay the same whatever they buy. Calculated introduces some algorithm, easy, don't worry, that calculates how much the buyer is going to pay. And this will depend on two factors. One is weight and size, how big and bulky what they buy is, and where they get the good delivered, where they want the good delivered. How far is it? How complicated it is to deliver the good to their address. Big things are gonna cost more, and farther deliveries or complex deliveries, high mountains, far away island on the sea, we all wish we were there, those cost more, right? In this video here, we're going to explain how to set correctly the shipping policy. And that's it for this video. Remember, you need three business policies: shipping, payment, and return, in order to be able to use eBay effectively and use Nembol to list on eBay. Have a good one. Cheers.